Whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced worker looking for a career change, finding a job that pays well can be a challenge. However, with a few simple tips and tricks, you can increase your chances drastically of landing a high paying job. I've been able to apply these methods consistently for many years and would not suggest anything that I haven't done myself. I used to work as a management consultant, and presently I'm leading multi-million dollar programs working at Amazon and also doubling up as a team leader for experienced techies. To find out how to land high-paying jobs, stick around till the end. I'm Vineet. Welcome back to my channel. Let's begin. Tip number 1: identify high-paying industries and job titles. Identifying high-paying industries and job titles is an essential first step in finding a high-paying job. As mentioned earlier, certain industries such as healthcare, finance, and technology are known for paying well. Within these industries, certain job titles tend to command higher salaries than others. For example, in the healthcare industry, job titles such as physicians, dentist, pharmacist typically earn high salaries. Similarly, in the finance industry, positions such as financial analysts, investment bankers, senior accountants are known to be paid well. In the tech industry, job titles such as software engineers, data scientists, cybersecurity analysts command high salaries. It's extremely important to note that salaries can vary greatly depending on location, experience, and the company you work for. Therefore, it's essential to research the salary ranges for your specific industry and location to get an idea of what to expect. Tip number 2: build your skills and education. Building your skills and education is a great way to increase your chances of finding a high-paying job. Look for opportunities to learn new skills or gain additional education in your field. This can be through traditional methods such as earning a degree or attending workshops, or through online courses and self-learning. For example, if you're interested in becoming a data analyst in the finance industry, you could take up courses in statistics, programming, and data analysis. Similarly, if you're interested in becoming a software engineer, you could learn programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. This will not only make you more competitive in the job market, but it will also prepare you for the specific requirements of the job. Another example is the healthcare industry, where healthcare professionals are often required to undergo continuing education and certification programs to maintain their licenses. For example, nurses can earn additional certifications such as the Certified Nurse Specialist (CNS) or Certified Nurse Practitioner (CNP) to advance their careers and increase their earning potential. Tip 3: networking. Networking is a powerful tool in finding a high-paying job. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with others in your field on LinkedIn. These connections can provide valuable insights into job opportunities and can help you stand out when applying for jobs. For instance, if you're interested in working in the tech industry, you could attend conferences or join professional organizations such as the Association for Computing Machinery (ACM) or the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers or IEEE. These events and organizations can help you meet people in your industry, learn about job openings, and make valuable connections. Another example is the finance industry, where networking is essential in building relationships with clients and investors. Financial analysts, investment bankers, and wealth managers often attend industry conferences and events to network with potential clients and investors. Tip 4: customize your resume and cover letter. Customizing your resume and cover letter to the job posting is crucial in landing a high-paying job. This means highlighting your relevant skills and experiences that match the requirements listed in the job posting. Use keywords and phrases from the job posting to help your application stand out to recruiters and hiring managers. For example, if you're applying for a marketing manager position at a tech company, you could highlight your experiences in digital marketing and social media management, your proficiency in marketing automation software. By customizing your resume and cover letter to the job posting, you'll demonstrate that you're a good fit for the position, and it will increase your chances of getting an interview. Another example is the healthcare industry, where customized resumes and cover letters are essential in highlighting relevant certifications and specialties. For example, a registered nurse applying for a position in a neonatal intensive care unit or NICU could highlight their neonatal nursing certification and their experience working with premature infants. If you found this helpful, just smash that like button. I can create a detailed video on how to customize your resume. Let me know in the comments below. Tip 5: prepare thoroughly for the interview. Preparing for the interview is crucial to landing a high-paying job. Here are some tips to help you prepare for your interview. Number 1. Research the company. Before your interview, make sure you thoroughly research the company you're interviewing with. Look at their website, social media accounts, and news articles to get a sense of their values, culture, and recent accomplishments. Number 2. Prepare for commonly asked interview questions. There are certain questions that are commonly asked in interviews, such as what are your strengths and weaknesses, or why do you want to work for this company? Make sure you prepare thoughtful answers to these questions ahead of time. Number 3. Customize your interview prep. Many companies have a peculiar way they interview candidates for a role. They have several rounds and each one may require separate preparation. Be sure to research how to prep for each round and practice. Number 4. Practice your responses. Practice answering interview questions out loud, either with a friend or in front of a mirror. This will help you feel more confident and prepared during the actual interview. Number 5. Prepare questions to ask for the interviewer. It's important to come prepared with questions to ask the interviewer also. This shows that you are interested in the company and the position, and can also help you learn more about the company's culture and expectations. Number 6. Dress appropriately. Dressing professionally for your interviews shows that you take the opportunity seriously and are committed to presenting yourself in a professional manner. Number 7. Follow up after the interview. After the interview, send a thank you note or an email to the interviewer. This shows that you are appreciative of the opportunity and are interested in the position. I can create a detailed video on how to prepare for interviews. Just let me know in the comments below. Tip number 6. Consider relocation. Considering relocation is another way to increase your chances of finding a high-paying job. Certain industries and locations are known for paying higher salaries than others, and moving to these areas can be a smart career move. For example, cities such as San Francisco, New York City, and Seattle are known for paying high salaries in the tech industry. However, it's important to consider the cost of living in these areas as well. For instance, while salaries may be higher in San Francisco, the cost of living is also much higher than in other parts of the US. Therefore, it's important to research the cost of living in your potential new location and make sure that the increased salary will actually result in a better quality of life. Another example is the healthcare industry, where certain locations may have a higher demand for healthcare professionals. For example, rural areas often have a shortage of healthcare workers and therefore may offer higher salaries and signing bonuses to attract talent. Moving to a rural area may be a smart career move for a healthcare professional looking to increase their potential income. Tip number 7. Negotiate your salary. Negotiating your salary is an important step in securing a high-paying job. Many job seekers are hesitant to negotiate their salary, but studies have shown that negotiating can result in a higher starting salary and long-term earning potential. Before negotiating your salary, research the average salary range for your position and location. This will give you a baseline to work with while negotiating with your potential employer. Additionally, consider other benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and vacation time when negotiating. For example, if you're offered a job as a software engineer in New York City, you could research the average salary range for software engineers in New York and use that as a starting point for negotiations. You can use websites like Glassdoor and levels.fyi to research salaries. You could also consider negotiating for additional benefits such as flexible work arrangements or stock options. Another example is the finance industry, where negotiating your salary is common practice. Investment bankers, for example, often negotiate for higher salaries and bonuses based on their experience and performance. And finally, keep learning and growing. Finally, it's important to continue learning and growing in your career. This means taking on new challenges, seeking out opportunities to learn new skills, and staying up to date with industry trends and advancements. This will not only make you a more valuable employee, but it will also increase your chances of landing high-paying positions in the future. For example, if you are a web developer working in the tech industry, you could learn new programming languages or take courses in emerging tech such as artificial intelligence or blockchain. This will not only make you a more skilled web developer, but it will also make you a more competitive candidate for higher paying positions such as senior web developer or software architect. Finding a high paying job requires effort, research, and a willingness to learn and grow. By following these tips and tricks, you can increase your chances of landing a high-paying job and advancing in your career. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe for more helpful career development content and click on that like button to get this video and recommend it to other people. I also make videos to help you grow your wealth and on property investing. Feel free to check out those videos here. Also, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.